My name is Barbara Johnson Stern, and I've been with the Harris Law Firm just about 2 years now. So I chose family law because my mother went through a divorce many years ago. Her attorney was so good and gave my mother so much information and confidence and ability to move forward in a way that resulted in a settlement that my mother deserved. I have 3 sisters, so it was my mother and the 4 of us in the house we grew up in. And so it occurred to me that that is a really impactful way to work in the world, is to be able to help somebody through that and leave that person in the best position they can after a pretty difficult situation. And I want it to be impactful. I think we probably all do, but I want to be impactful. So family law is different from other areas of law in that, first, how you work as an attorney, what your work day is like. So my work day is a mix of mediating, researching, writing, talking to clients, and litigating. So that diversity in a work day really helps promote that long-term sort of satisfaction. What is also very different is that it's typically only you and your client and your paralegal. You're really meeting with that client right away and guiding that case forward and interacting with that client on a very regular basis, which I believe is the best way that I can remain impactful and helpful to my clients. One of the great things I was able to experience was working in London for 5 years. That gave me a really great perspective on what practicing family law in the United States means and the difference in cultures. Those cultural differences are real. And one of the things that enabled me to do was sort of really work on connecting with clients better, because we all come to it from a different perspective. And having those 5 years in London really enabled me to sort of get a broader perspective on life and cultures. So one thing that I try to really make very clear to my clients early on is I want to very much bring value to them. So when I am thinking about their cases, when I'm writing them an email, I am drawing on the very best of my experiences and my legal knowledge to make that communication valuable to them, because I believe that's my job, and that is the benefit of working with an attorney who's been practicing now almost 24 years. But it's really important to me to feel like I'm delivering value.